In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use wireframes in Miro effectively. By the end of this guide, you'll be leveraging Miro's powerful prototyping library to create stunning wireframes that can help you design coherent and functional visual interfaces with ease. To get started, head over to your Miro board, which acts as the canvas for your creative ideas. On this board, locate the Tools, Media and Integrations icon, represented by a plus symbol. You'll find it conveniently placed on the user interface, allowing for seamless access to Miro's extensive collection of enhancements. By clicking on this icon, you'll unlock a world of tools including the prototyping library that's essential for our task today. Once you're in the Tools section, use the search bar to quickly find and select Prototyping. Doing so opens a specialized library dedicated to prototyping needs, and here you'll notice it neatly organized into two distinct tabs: Wireframes, featuring UI elements and icons. The Wireframes tab is where we'll be focusing our attention. Within the Wireframes section, you'll find a variety of device screen templates designed to fit different formats, including phone, tablet, and desktop. To begin visualizing your project, click on one of these screen templates. The moment you do this, a device frame will appear on your board, creating a structured environment for your UI components. These frames act much like sticky notes, automatically grouping and moving components together seamlessly, making it a breeze to adjust and rearrange your designs. Now, let's bring your wireframe to life by adding UI elements. You can easily drag various components such as buttons, cards, input fields, progress bars, and chips directly into your device frame. These components are incredibly versatile, allowing you to quickly build interactive and logical layouts. Remember, each UI element is customizable, making the wireframing process both flexible and precise. By double-clicking on any element, you can edit the text to suit your project's needs. Additionally, you can toggle between the element's different states, such as checked or unchecked, providing a dynamic aspect to your design that reflects real-world interaction. Icons and labels can also be adjusted to align with your project's aesthetic and functional objectives. This completes your basic wireframing in Miro, setting you on a path towards crafting more detailed and interactive prototypes. With these foundational steps in the prototyping process, you have the tools to enhance your collaborative design experiences. Thanks for joining me today. Now it's your turn to experiment and innovate with wireframes in Miro.